Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. I'm addicted to luxury goods, accessories, makeup, skincare, self-care, and I'm going to rehab soon. Today we have a no-buy list of 2024. I've seen a lot of people do it and I really enjoy it, and I do get a lot of inspiration from other people, and I would say I want to do my own no-buy list and I want to upload it here on YouTube so that I can come back to this and see this as evidence for 2024. And if you like these kind of luxury videos, please like and subscribe, and please visit my other videos as well. Let's keep on watching. First one on my no-buy list would have to be costume jewelry. In 2023, or I would say in the past, even 2022, I bought a lot of Chanel jewelry. I bought a lot of jewelry in general that is kind of just like costume jewelry, not like, you know, real gold or real silver or, you know, all those high jewelry. I used to buy a lot of fashion jewelry from Chanel, and I honestly do not get much wear of it. It has no value whatsoever, and I've been selling a lot of it, but a lot of the prices just went down so much. So I would make sure that I don't buy that this year. I want to really invest in gold jewelry or like good diamond jewelry that I could wear for the rest of my life, or even, you know, trickle down it to my kids, my sisters, my cousins, whatnot. But a no-buy list for this year would definitely be costume or fashion jewelry. Next on my no-buy list would be sunglasses. I bought a lot of sunglasses in 2023 and the year before that, and I feel like I have too many similar sunglasses, but this one is my most recent purchase, which is from Saint Laurent. I absolutely love this style. It's like an extended cat eye but very straight. I have a similar one from Velvet Canyon as well, and I think I want to stop buying similar sunglasses because this is just too much. I have too much of this. I need to buy different styles, but I guess having a lot of similar styles just mean that I really like this style and it really suits my face. But I think I need to, you know, buy less on sunglasses because I have way too many. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see that I have so many sunglasses and I don't actually wear all of them. I feel like I don't wear a lot of my Gentle Monster sunglasses that I got because I thought it was a really good price, so I bought a lot of that and I don't wear it as much. I only wear this and Velvet Canyon that is kind of similar to this but in a brown shade, so I only wear these two, so I should stop buying sunglasses that I'm not gonna wear. Next on my no-buy list are goyard pouches. I already have these two pouches for my travel bags. This one is for my everyday bag. This one I put in my everyday bag when it's big, or I just put this on my travel bag when I travel. I put like chargers, whatnot in here. I also have the Hermes like silicone pouches as well. I feel like I spend way too much money on pouches because I love organizing, and I think that I just have too many now. I have two of these. I have the Hermes ones. I think this is enough for me and I just need to stop buying because I have these two, and I will also have these like sunglasses pouch. I also have this in a bigger size which I do not use and I'm trying to sell, so I only use the small one for obviously my sunnies, and I just, you know, use the same one, which I really enjoy this pouch, but I need to stop buying more pouches. Next on my no-buy list would definitely be unnecessary Hermes purchases. There, I said it. In 2023, I spent a lot on Hermes journey purchases, and a lot of them I don't get to wear, and most of that is one, too many twillies. That's what I said in my video, best and worst purchases video. That one, I bought way too many twillies. On 2024, I will buy less. It probably shouldn't be in a no-buy list, but I should buy less twillies. And next is jewelry. I actually look through my purchase history that I, you know, have it written down. I actually bought a lot of jewelry from Hermes, which I think they are high quality. I really like the quality of it, but I don't think I got to wear it as much. I would say like the ones that I really get to wear quite often is the farandole pendant with the farandole earring in rose gold. That set, I wear it so much and it's really worth the money. And the farandole chain in 120 centimeters, I also wear that a lot as like a back chain, necklace, even like I tie it with a scarf for an open back look. I will come to that as well, that I will show you a tutorial how I tie a scarf as a top with the chain in the back. And the ones that I use the least is the Kelly bracelet, some of the rings, just because I have a lot of rings and I do stack them, but I don't get to wear it as much. So on my no buy list would be unnecessary jewelry that I don't think I would get to wear. I do have my eye on a few jewelry pieces, but the price is so high, so I need to, save up for that. Next product on my no buy list would be sneakers. I actually bought a few sneakers last year. I would say not a few. I had bought like 2 Sambas. Actually, I bought 1 Samba, 1 Gazelle, 1 Adidas Army, and I don't get to wear it as much. I only wore Sambas quite a lot for a little bit and it got too, much. And I wore the Army a lot. I would say I have to buy less sneakers. I also have a lot of New Balance sneakers. If you follow me on Instagram, oh my god, I went on like a New Balance craze and now I only wear a few of them, or even just one of them. I just had too many New Balance shoes that is similar to the like 993, the 2002R. I just have too many of that because when I like something, I go crazy. It's just like when I started the Hermes journey, I went crazy and I sold all my Chanel bags. Yep, that's another no buy list. Last but not the least, it is kind of a recurring thing from 2023, but I'm just gonna continue on for 2024, which is Chanel bags. In 2023, I still bought like a few bags. I bought a classic Chanel in denim, which I sold. I bought like a tweed Chanel with the logo strap. I bought 22, I think I bought in the end of 2022. I don't remember. The Chanel 22 tote. I'm actually not sure. But I sold a lot of that, and if you watch my bag collection video, the previous one that I have just, uploaded, I sold all my Chanel bags. I kept just 1 vintage Chanel bag just because I feel the quality ain't the same. I don't grab it as much anymore since I have my Hermes bags. I do not carry my Chanel bags at all. So on my no buy list, 2024 would probably be no more Chanel bags. No more Chanel bags from the store. If I see something I really like on the pre-love market, I might get it, but I feel like in the store the prices are way too high, the quality is not the same. It's just, it's a bit much, and I don't know if this is offending other people. I'm really sorry if I said that. If you're a Chanel lover, I'm so sorry. Just for me, I feel like I don't get into the store anymore. The shoes though, yeah, the last no buy list would be Chanel shoes. Chanel shoes are so expensive. I don't know how I bought a lot of dad sandals. I remember I bought a few pairs of dad sandals. I bought Chanel loafers, and it's like almost double the price of Hermes shoes. So my no buy list would definitely be Chanel shoes. It's so expensive, but I mean, I did sell it for like an okay price, but still does not hold its value because it's shoes. It's really hard to hold value. I'm sorry, this is definitely last but not the least thing that is the most important thing on my no buy list is trying to spend money while traveling. Oh my god, this actually happened to me with like my goyard like pouches. Is because in Thailand we do not have any goyard, so when I go abroad like Japan or Korea last year, I went to goyard and I really wanted to spend money when there was no stock of what I wanted and there was stock of things that I didn't really want and I got it. That is the most important thing on my no buy list, is to not spend money just because we're traveling. Like just because we're there already doesn't make sense to like just spend the money. This is something that I've been struggling with. It's like, oh, I'm already here. I'm not gonna get a chance to be here in this store, so I really want to spend money at this store even though they have no stock for me whatsoever. Which, I bought the sunglasses pouch in the bigger size just because I felt like, oh my god, I'm gonna get to use it because I will find a way to use it because there's nothing else I could buy. So I really wanted to buy this, and in the end I did not use it at all, not even once. I opened it, I tried putting things in, I'm like, it's not a good size. Oh no, oh shoot. And yeah, I think this also happened again when I bought like a passport holder from Hermes just because I'm at like the airport and it's like, oh my god, they have stock, even though that's not the color that I wanted. I got it, and in the end I don't use it because I got another color in the store here in Thailand and it's what I want. So in the end I do not get to use it. So that's the last no that I should remember. So yep, that is my no buy list. Sorry I got a little bit emotionally invested about Chanel shoes because it's just so expensive. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. I know my no buy list is quite short, but I'm just keep it short and precise because that is it. and I hope you like these kind of videos. If you enjoy this, please like and subscribe, and please visit my other videos as well. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!